While everyone is competing in these same saturated affiliate marketing categories like fitness, make money online, there's several kind of obscure affiliate niches that can make a lot of money. So I'm going to walk you through all of them. Some of them are very interesting. Now, if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, picking your niche and content strategy, make sure to click the link in the description below and sign up for a free training. I'll give you through the whole process of using AI to choose your niche once and for all. So let's get into it. All right, first up is industrial equipment and B2B tools. I realize this doesn't sound very exciting, but that's actually the point. So a lot of consumer products might pay 3 to 5% commissions. Industrial equipment can pay 10 to 20% on products that cost thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. So a business owner shopping for a commercial 3D printer, CNC machine, or some specialized software has a budget and is looking for solutions for actual business problems. So it's more B2B. They're not price shopping the way someone buying a yoga mat would be. So some programs in this space include companies like Granger and MSC Industrial Direct, plus a lot of B2B SaaS platforms. So a single $15,000 equipment sale at 15% commission is $2,250. You need 4 or 5 of these sales. You start stacking it up. The competition here is relatively low. Most influencers, content creators, they're not going to cover this type of stuff, right? So if you can rank for the straightforward comparative articles, buying guides, tutorial videos, business owners are actively searching for this information. Second is another fun one that is senior care and assisted living. This can be one of the most stable niches available that's growing. So aging baby boomers, families are actively searching for solutions to this. So assisted living facilities, medical alert systems, mobility aids, senior care services often pay $100 to $500 per qualified lead, not per sale, but per lead. So some assisted living programs pay up to $3,000 per resident placement. The senior care market is going to be $600 billion by 2027. And adult children are searching for these things: in-home care, medical alert system, mobility devices, all these kind of niche topics. So this can provide genuine value. So you're helping families navigate these difficult decisions. Your content can include guides on choosing these facilities, understanding Medicare, comparing these different alert systems, reviewing these mobility products. Programs include A Place for Mom, Caring.com, Medical Guardian, various mobility equipment manufacturers. And the third niche here is recreational vehicles. So the RV and van life movement has grown substantially, and the niche remains pretty much underserved by affiliate marketers for the most part. People in this space are buying $50,000 to $250,000 RVs and then spending, modifying them, solar setups, water filtration, camping gear, navigation tools. They're real buyers with real budgets. So RV dealers, Camping World, RV Share have affiliate programs. But the auxiliary products are actually really interesting here too. It's like solar panels for RVs, could be $200 to $500 a sale. GPS systems, satellite internet, portable power, water filtration systems, all have affiliate programs. So this RV community is especially valuable because they're always upgrading the vehicle too. So someone might spend $10,000 on a roof rack system or an awning or off-road lights, right? So content can perform really well here. So you build out tutorials, gear reviews, destination guides, electrical system setups. The audience is engaged. They generally want to know the products, compare them. So this niche has a strong presence on YouTube and Instagram and websites, so you can build a real community. Fourth on the list is specialized software and professional tools. This is one of the most accessible options today. So most people, they promote mainstream software, email marketing, CRM software, but this could be more for specific industries with affiliate programs hardly anyone knows about. So different types of software, right? So like estimating software. Dentists use like practice management systems. Photographers could be culling and editing tools, right? Things that are kind of more obscure. Field service management software, church management software. These programs pay typically 20 to 40% recurring commissions because they're software subscriptions. So a $200 a month software package, 30% recurring commission makes you $60 every month. So you start stacking customers. 20 customers would be $1,200 a month, and you just keep going from there. This is the compounding effect of recurring commissions. So you start promoting tools you kind of know about, that you know about in your hobbies. You might be a photographer, you understand what photographers need. Or if you run a small business, you know what software solves these real problems that are specific to industry. So this is like industry-specific software affiliate programs. So the search volume might be lower, obviously, compared to mainstream products, but the buyer intent's high. They're more obscure. Someone searching for best dental practice management software is either a dentist or a practice manager with decision-making authority and a budget, and will actually buy through affiliate links. So you can create comparison content, tutorial videos, case studies showing how these tools are used. The people searching for this are professionals, and they're willing to invest in these solutions. Fifth on the list is home security and smart home systems. So this has grown considerably over the last couple of years. Most affiliate marketers are just scratching the surface. So we're not just talking about like Ring doorbells, but we're talking about things like complete security systems, smart locks, surveillance cameras, home automation, environmental monitoring, and professional monitoring services. So these services range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. So of course, there's companies like SimpliSafe, Vivint, however you pronounce that, various other smart home manufacturers that have affiliate programs. Commissions can vary from $100 to $400 per sale for complete systems. Some monitoring services pay recurring commissions. So what makes this niche strong is that it taps this fundamental need of security. People are willing to invest to protect their house and their family. They're doing research before making these decisions. They want systems that actually work. The smart home angle's particularly interesting too. People often start with one device and expand to multiple devices throughout the home. So someone buys a smart lock, then they might add a camera, then sensors, then a full automation system and lights and all kinds of stuff. So there's lots of different products in here. There's newer products in here too that the same customer will want over time. So content that works here is system comparisons, installation guides, integration tutorials, real world testing. So people want to see how these systems actually perform in the real world. All right, let's get to number 6, and that is marine and boating equipment. So the boating community, it's similar to RVs in terms of spending, but it's even more overlooked pretty much by affiliate marketers. People don't think about boats when it comes to affiliate marketing, but they're constantly maintaining and upgrading these things. So we're talking about everything from navigation electronics, fish finders, safety equipment, anchor systems, marine batteries, maintenance products. A single fish finder could be $2,000 to $5,000. A quality marine battery could be $3,000. So there's companies like West Marine, Boat US, Defender, they all have affiliate programs. But the real opportunity is in these specialized equipment. Marine electronics from Garmin, something like that. So trolling motors, makes you sit there while you fish in one spot. Underwater cameras, safety gear. So a lot of people spend money on boat maintenance, upgrades. So unlike buying a boat, these owners are constantly purchasing parts, electronics, accessories, things that go on the boat. So a boat owner could spend $5,000 to $10,000 on upgrades for their boat, right? They're already spending all the docking fees and all that. So you can do installation guides, product roundups, maintenance checklists, fishing setup tutorials. The boating community is actively seeking out this information because marine equipment is very specialized, it's very expensive, and a lot of mistakes can be made when they're buying it. There's also a lot of sub niches here for affiliate fishing, sailing, yacht ownership, pontoon boats, all kinds of different equipment. Thinking of the expensive equipment here for affiliate marketing, go deep on one category. Seventh is commercial kitchen and restaurant equipment. So this is another B2B space most affiliate marketers completely ignore, but restaurant owners, commercial kitchen operators spend a lot of money on this stuff. They're making substantial equipment purchases on a regular basis. So this is commercial refrigeration, ovens, fryers, food processors, POS systems, inventory management. So a commercial oven could be $3,000 to $15,000. A walk-in cooler could be $10,000, $30,000. Programs are like webrestaurantstore.com, lots of other equipment manufacturers. So commissions can range from usually 5 to 10%, but high ticket can add up pretty quickly. So the reason this one works is restaurant owners are constantly looking. Most of this is done through sales, like sales, regional salesmen. But they're constantly searching for information on all these different products, durability, efficiency, ROI. They need expensive equipment that can handle commercial use. And they're comparing all these different specs. So you create content like equipment comparisons, energy efficiency guides, space planning for these small kitchens, maintenance tutorials. So restaurant owners are interested in these case studies showing how this specific equipment can improve operations, reduce cost. So there's also a strong sub-niche in things like home coffee or shop equipment, food truck setups. All of these things that are a little bit more commercialized are really underserved when it comes to affiliate marketing. Number 8 on the list, pool and spa maintenance. So there are millions of residential pools in the US alone. Every single one requires maintenance, chemicals, equipment, repairs, upgrades, all of it. Pool owners typically spend $1,500 to $3,000 annually on maintenance and chemicals. Pumps, filters, heaters, automatic cleaners. These can range from $500 to $5,000. Or we can resurface, renovate the pool. That could be $10,000 or more. So there's companies like Leslie's Pool Supplies, In the Swim, various equipment manufacturers have affiliate programs. So chemical purchases are recurring. There could be repeat customers on those types of commissions as well. And pumps, robotic cleaners, new products are always coming on the market. The content is simple and it writes itself. So seasonal opening, closing guides, troubleshooting common problems, very simple videos, chemical balancing tutorials, equipment reviews, tons and tons of different pieces of content you can create. Pool owners are actively searching for this information. Maintenance is a little complex, right? I've had a hot tub and it's like, what is the chemical makeup of this thing? How do you do it? So a lot of northern climates have shorter seasons, but there's year-round interest in hot tubs and then just planning, equipment, shopping, prepping, all of that stuff. Ninth on the list is pet health and specialized products. So we're not talking about like generic pet supplies that everyone promotes. We're talking about specialized health, medical, and therapeutic equipment that pet owners buy when dealing with specific conditions. So this can include like mobility aids for dogs with hip dysplasia, pet wheelchairs, orthopedic beds, therapeutic equipment, specialized dietary products for medical conditions, pet monitoring systems. These products range from $100 to $2,000. Pet insurance is another component here. Some of those programs pay $50 to $150 per policy. Given that pet insurance can run $50 to $100 a month, these are valuable customers for insurance companies. So what makes this niche work is the emotional component. So pet owners spend a lot of money on their pets, and especially when it comes to this mobility and helping stuff and medical stuff with aging and medical issues, they're not price shopping for this. They're just looking for the best possible product. So the content should be empathetic, informative, guides on caring for your pets with these conditions, product reviews from actual users, advice on this chronic pet issue, health issues resonates with this audience. There's also sub niches for specific animals, specific conditions. So like senior dog care, feline diabetes, caring for pets with cancer, mobility solutions for different breeds. So you can build real authority by focusing on the health specific aspects of caring for a pet. And then number 10 on the list, trade tools and professional equipment for contractors, electricians, plumbers, all these skilled trades. So this is similar to the industrial equipment one, but focused on tools that individual tradespeople will use every day. So things like professional grade power tools, diagnostic equipment, safety gear, tool storage systems, work vehicles, all these accessories represent substantial investments. So an electrician might spend $15,000 in tools. Plumbers, HVAC technicians, contractors all have to make investments in things that they need if they're not renting it. So there's programs like DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, all these specialized equipment suppliers too. This is typically 8 to 12% commission on higher ticket products. So the reason this niche is strong is that tradespeople are constantly upgrading their tools and equipment. It's expensive and there's tons and tons of different options out there. Tools wear out, they can get new ones to improve efficiency, and there's just so many. So content can focus on real world use cases, tool comparisons based on actual job site experience, durability tests, efficiency analysis, ROI calculations on using different tools. So tradespeople want to know how much their tools are actually performing, the best types of tools for the job, all of that stuff. So it's a DIY plus a little bit more B2B. So like DIY a little bit higher end because you can cover home projects too. So this is a niche that's interesting. They're willing to invest a lot of money and researching a lot before this gets started. So here's how to approach this. First, pick one niche. We can't cover all of them, right? Choose one based on your existing knowledge, what sounds interesting to you. You have to match the niche to your actual personality and what you can teach and create content around because authenticity matters, right? People are making significant buying decisions. You want to actually be the voice, the trusted voice of reason. So in industrial equipment, for example, is finding reliable tools that minimize downtime. In senior care, it could be making the right decision for a loved one during the stressful time. You don't want to be giving random advice. In RV life, you should probably have some experience with it. So your niche should match some level of experience with it. And again, you're creating lots of content. So people are reading multiple articles, watching videos, comparing a lot of different things. So your content should be thorough enough for people to make a decision. And you want to build in authority. So credibility matters more than impulse buying in a lot of these niches. So share your experience, share what you've done, be transparent about pros and cons of each product. Don't just push the products. Focus on search intent. So these niches live on Google search and YouTube search. So people are actively searching for these on there. Your job is to show up when they're searching, be helpful, and say, hey, here's the products that you need. So these 10 niches represent real opportunities because they combine decent search volume, high commissions, and lower competition, a little bit more random. So they require more research, better content than promoting the fancy latest gadget or trend or something like make money online or fitness. They're a little bit more obscure. So affiliate marketers that make money, they're not picking the thing that everyone else is picking. They're going into highly specialized spaces, serving specific audience and helping them with their real need, their real budget, and real content. So With that, 10 interesting niches. I hope you found this video useful. Please like the video. It really helps a lot. Drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're most interested in or any other questions you have on affiliate marketing. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And then again, click the link in the description below and you'll get a free affiliate marketing training on exactly how to choose your niche, build an entire content plan around it. So the first 20 pieces of content and how to create it and all of that. And you'll get a free training as well. So make sure to click that link in the description. I will see you in the next video.